Hello all, welcome to SVJ Academy. I am Sabu Joseph. In this video, I will show you how to insert a picture in a comment box in Excel. I will show you some examples of this picture in a comment box. This is a database of the employee. Here a lot of employees are there. So when we go through the employee names, some employees may have similar names. So we may be confused with who is this. If any photograph or picture of employee is available, we can immediately find out each employee. For that, we can use this facility, the pictures in comment box. When we hover our mouse over the names of employee, that employee photographs will show automatically. Let's see. See here, when I am hovering the mouse of that employee photograph showed. So it will be very easy and convenient to understand the things. So in this way we can easily find out the employees. Another example I will show. Here I have given the name of the mobile phones: Redmi 9 Prime, Redmi 9 Sky Blue, Dell Inspiron HD touchscreen, Hero Cycles. So this facility we can use anywhere else. Now we have seen the employee's name with the photograph, and if we have a price list, the product's name may be similar. It may be by color or shape, some codes will be given. So in order to understanding the products easily, we can provide the picture of that product. See here, I have written as a Redmi 9 Prime mint screen, 4GB RAM, 64GB. When we hover our mouse on the name of the item, the image of that particular product will display. See, when I am over the mouse on the name, the picture of that particular product shown. When I am hovering the mouse below next item, it is showing the picture. So whenever we are hovering the mouse, it will display the picture. So it will be very easy and convenient to understand the products, pupils, whatever it is. So how can we insert the picture to the comment box? Here I have given three names: apple, orange and grapes. We have to insert a picture of apple here. So that you select that cell which contains the name, right click, go to insert comments. Here remove the name. Now a comment box opens. In this comment box, right click, format comments. Now we can see only the font. We can change only the fonts, font style and font size. Right click, format. Instead of this right click, go to the edge of the comment box, any edge of the comment box. You can see our mouse point is turned to a cross. Here no cross is there. When we are hovering the mouse on the edges of the comment box, you can see a cross. When it is cross, right click, then go to format comment. Now you can see more dialog boxes. Here go to colors and lines. On the fill drop down list, click on fill effects. Under the fill effects, go to picture, select picture. Now it will ask the location of the picture. You can select the location, select the apple picture here, insert, OK. Now the picture of the apple inserted. You can resize the picture by dragging the size of the comment box. Now go to the orange. Here instead of a right click and insert comments, you can go to review. Under review tab, comments, it is showing new comments. Click on new comments. Now new comments box opens. Remove the name. Hover the mouse on the edges of the box. Right click, click on formats, click on colors and lines. Open the fill drop down. Click on fill effects. Click on picture. Select the picture. Now we have to select the picture of orange. I select the orange, insert, OK. Now the orange picture inserted to your comments, and you can resize the picture as per your requirements. Go to grapes. Here we can use another keyboard shortcut for inserting the comments, that is Shift F2. When we are pressing Shift F2, the comments box will insert. Remove the name. On the edges, right click, colors and lines. Open the fill drop down list. Click on fill effects. Go to picture. Select picture. Select the source file. Here we have to insert the picture of grapes. So click on grapes. Insert. OK. OK. Now the picture of grapes inserted. Resize the comment box. Now it is perfectly showing. Here when we are hovering the mouse over the names, it will show the picture. When we are hovering the mouse over the apple name, it is showing the image of apple, orange and grapes. I think it will be very useful for preparing the price list, catalogs, employees data and everything. I think this video is very useful for you. If you really like the video, please like, share and drop your comments, and please subscribe my channel. Enable the bell icon. You will get all the notifications in real time. We can meet on next video. Till then, bye.